So this is the steps of preparation for overlaying these walk pads. First thing is the curl part you want to cut off, but you got to be very careful. Only run your knife so you don't accidentally cut through the roof, because that's a leak that you're never going to want to have to come back and try to deal with. Next is get rid of as much of the loose crap as you can. Then get rid of as much of the sticky crap as you can without cutting the roof. Then you gotta generously apply cleaner. Scrub the bejesus out of it. Get a wipe with some cleaner on it. Set it in just one stroke. And then wipe all the little fuzzies off. And then you have a loadable surface.